Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are learning how to create beautiful animated particle backgrounds using Particles.js. You've probably seen this website using float dots connected by lines in the background. That's what we are building today. And the best part is it's very easy once you understand it. What's Particles.js? The Particles.js is a lightweight JavaScript library that creates interactive particles for our background. It's mostly used in portfolio websites, landing pages, tech startups, or hero sections. So here we try to create some HTML elements to interact with our browser. So we have a div with the ID of Particles.js. Alright, next thing is we have a header, alright, with this statement that says welcome to my website. Alright, so the next thing we need is we are going to add some styles here. So we give the body a margin of 0. This is just a default style, and we are going to grab the ID of what Particles.js that we have in that div there. Okay, so this is, as you know, it's the container for what the particles. So we are going to what give it some styles. All right, first we give it a position of what fixed. This what it stays in the background. Next we give it a width of 100%. We set the height as well. Okay, so we set the height, and yeah, we set the height already, and we give a background color. Okay, you can give it any background color of your choice. All right, so we're trying to give it a dark blue background. All right, so then we give it a z index 1 minus 1. This one stays behind what the content, and we are going to grab the h1 element there and give it what the color. We delete this and style the color. So yeah, give it a color and just imagine. Yeah, so we have the text align, and we'll give it a margin top of 200 pixels. Beautiful. So now we need to grab the Particles.js here. Okay, so we need to grab the Particles.js in the simplest way using the CDN. All right, so you can see this is the link here. You just prompt Google and you copy the CDN and come back to your VS Code and just paste it here, and I Ctrl S for it to be formatted properly. So this is it here. Okay, so I'll just come to my JS to initialize what the particles here. Okay, so just like we initialized our type JS, that's the same way we are going to initialize what Particles.js. So we grab the ID that we have there, which is what Particles.js, comma, and we are just going to pass in what some object here. So we'll grab the particles inside of this. Okay, we talk about the number, so we could give it what a less number, maybe just 80. Okay, you might decide to give it more. All right, so the value for it is 80, and let's just grab the size. So we have the size as well. So the size would give it the value also. So we could stop here, just value of 3 as well. So there is more to it. You could give move, line, length, and all of that. So we come here, and now you can see how it looks like on our browser. So the Particles.js, particles, all of those ones just target the div ID. The number.value just targets what how many particles appeared on this website, and the size value is what the size of each of these dots. Okay, so you can customize this design anyhow you want it to be. So when can you use this Particles.js? You can use it when you want to build portfolio, landing pages, tech brand website, hero sections. All right, so you should avoid using it on heavy content pages. Finally, what we learned today is what Particles.js is all about, how to install with what? How to install Particles.js with CDN, how to configure Particles.js, and how to customize its appearance. If this video was helpful to you, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.